Guys, today I'm in South Fulton. I am touring the new constructions at Milestone. These are a great bang for your buck if you're trying to be close to the perimeter, close to the airport, and get a good value. You need to check these out. Stay tuned for the tour. If you haven't seen my other tours, head over to the channel, like and subscribe for content just like this, and don't hesitate to call me if you're looking for a realtor here in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm your guy, Metro or in the city. So as promised today, guys, we are going to be touring this beautiful 3,000 square foot home by Beazer. These guys have actually ranked #1 trusted new home builder for 2024 by Newsweek. And let's get inside here. So you have a half bath. I don't know why I said half bath. It's a full bath here on that main floor with a simple closet. And because this was a model home, I didn't take you guys to tour the front section, which would have been an additional bedroom, but they turned it into the office space. As you come down the hall, you would have a flex space, great for an office. They've made it an infomercial space for you all. But you come into an open concept family room. There is a dedicated dining space there. And you have a lot of light color finishes. You have different options when you are building the home yourself, however. You can come into this large pantry, as you see. And again, just taking a look at this very nice kitchen we have here. Light granite countertops. Take a step outside. Get this door open. Yep. So as you see outside, not all of the houses have the same size backyard, but this one is pretty decent. Again, this is the model home. So if you guys were looking for a bigger lot, they certainly have some available. You know, some of the typical lot sizes range from about 0.2 of an acre. It's pretty reasonable for the doggos to run around. We got a nice ambiance going with the light wash LVP here. I'm gonna head over to the garage. Have a little mudroom section there. I couldn't find the light for the garage, so we just peeked on in. Had a good bit of self-tour guide signs there. Turn to my left, and we have another little closet, pretty deep. You could definitely fit a few vacuums in there for my clean freaks. Again, guys, this is 3,000 square feet. It's coming in at $499,000, so it is under $500,000. They're also offering $25,000 in flex dollars. You can use that however you want to come off the purchase price, use it towards closing costs. Got your laundry upstairs, and the primary is right off of the steps. It's a good and gracious size. You know, you have seating as well as the bed, double vanity, soaking tub, stand-up shower with the modern finishes. Keeping it simple, they have the water closet there. I know how much you all like the water closets. And you have a linen closet. And a very nice sized walk-in closet. Nice size. And everything is very, very accommodating overall. The location is very good. It's convenient to Hartsfield, Midtown, downtown. So if you guys aren't familiar with South Fulton, give me a call. I'd be happy to discuss the details, introduce you guys to the area. And here's the laundry. Off the laundry, we actually have the utility closet, which contains your furnace. Which, if you guys are new home buyers, this is a really convenient location for that to be in. It's gonna save you guys money on maintenance and repairs over the long run. You have an additional bathroom up here, twin sinks with a separate toilet. This is a convenient design for the busy family. The kids can shower or use the bathroom while another one brushes their teeth or gets ready with makeup. Who cares? It's It's one of those things where you need all the action going at once. This is a good house. This is a very great family design. Decent sized closet for a growing teenager or for a guest. Turn around here. And this was just such a cute lofted area, having the Monopoly there. And fair sized room. And again, I apologize that you guys didn't get to see the bedroom that's on the main, but that's a great room if you have a mobility issue or you have a family member with a mobility issue. That's going to give you access to the ground floor. And here is the room that has a good bit on their performance, their savings. You know, it's Energy Star rated. They went with the highest quality insulation. And again, a nice sized closet, but nothing too braggadocious here. But thank you guys for touring with me today. As always, if you guys are moving to Atlanta, don't hesitate to give me a call. Be happy to hook you up with one of these Beazer homes. Like and subscribe.